Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Now, once you're done with it, of course, you have to move to the next setting, that is your online content. So under online content, whatever you see, what will be there? So I said document link type. When you create a course, you provide a link. Like I create a course, so I will send you a link in order to register there. Right? Okay, but then I won't. I registered there, but I want to learn about this from myself. Maybe a manual reading I want to do, or maybe like our class. When I give you this class, after that I say I shared one document with you and I requested you to go through that. Right? Okay. So what if I want to go and learn few things or by my own when I have spare time? So if I have created a document link, I will provide you that document link so that you can go and read about it thoroughly whenever you want. So it's just like the documents that are provided. So I said there are document links type. So I created one which is manual. I will go here. This is right manual. But then I said there should be some link type. If you want, you can add links. Everything is done. And you can add some. So let's say somebody created this or you create. And when you go to document link type, you choose one of them. I want to create a new one. Type the link and the description. You don't have to worry about it. So if I take you, you will have everything. See online. That's the online content one. Where is that the document link type? Can you see the completion status here? If I say add history on completion or record every time you complete, I said every time you complete something, there should be a history maintained. So I click on completion status. Maximum character is this. Maybe because this is demo, somebody has played around. Then we go to the people management. People management is what? Status, the degree, time, everything that you have to define by yourself, your employee. When we hire somebody, what all information should be there? So I said this is something else not related to items only. But this is for employees. So these statuses we are giving for anything that you have, that employees should be having, and degree types. So when you complete a particular training, what kind of degree do you receive? Like generally, when we do our certification from SAP, we get initially the associate information means associated, or you have BSc honors bachelor's. What kind of degrees you have completed as an employee? You see the people management. Getting me? This is not for the items. Again, I'm telling you, this is generally for the users that we are using in the system. Okay. Now same goes with other like disability classifications. If any user has a disability, you just click on this. Now click on that. Then employee classes. I said class ID is like this and this is. SAP training. One is created. Okay. I said the employee classes are there. So what classes? This is for SAP. Oh, okay. So we have one. And then employee status. It's that employee is active, inactive, terminated, full-time employee. Whatever formal name. Then employee types. Civilian contractor, IT specialist, hourly paid worker, whatever is this. Okay. Then job code. What kind of job codes are available? Like IT manager, IT specialist, consultant, stuff like that. So these are the codes. Just like that job. Then you have language skills if you have any. That person knows Arabic, Chinese, English, whatever. So you can add it. Oh, Alright. These are all people related. So you don't have to worry about that. But I agree. So this is one of the settings for people. Because when you go to any items finance, you see you have pricing. You have purchasing power means. How much can you do that? Then you can go to cost calculation. This is all these things when you do it. So that way we'll cover when we talk about these things. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.